Dolamara PHC ang kangke do kadukave pen bang pharoi sira phokep sosia bang phua bang phie toma phan me thana pen meng ke kor ki phuk pen cheklojon niang bong pen Rabies akeso ang the ke klang kedamnang mati jonga cheklo surihini raing kora ke thomaning kana hut karlitang long kiterang asopo phan me than lang no ang turalong ke kor kang ajok keso bat pika sonsi thek ponong lo la sonsi DMCH di phualong an keso kelang aphan ponlo bonsita me keso ke bat pika jok silangun idetsi hem chewan detlu lapen thanga chekloni phai kripli arni kang sam por phai pho por malom anabangki bangso pier thepen chevoi juilu
Kabelong radona van isi ningdu gebirta theke nona lom mithalang no ke kor mate meng ki phuk lop son pen penanga muni tum apran na vedat atum to pilo la pen la son me kiso pangji tum to pilo dolomara police station arlo dak sa theterang ro ameka kalitang long kiterang halali supu Rajiv Terang halali phat kiram tang abirta ka chin kelong tengte December chiklo pen selang phat mithan ke korpu sitala bangso lamba ke nona piansi chini pin lo be mar khai o pisi chini pin lo kasi non rada phan ke pachini kang tungela lo atheke mithan ke meta hai ba mithan langno ta ke korlo puloti tum peder de pin pen hospital long tum pali ba prangsi hala dak doctor tum kopi ma instruction hala so teng bang sili tum dawai non bg non elangji pinila pusona case dak dolomara arlo si 150 bang pharoi sira phokap soselo mithan mengke kor pen pot dak register tak lasu pen bemar bisi ke khai tamba ke apran abda pini dai tuma musu le alang lile hanne ke pajok ni reson haksi la pusona ndo kok pulote tum pir theke do tame ilitum ninge chi oi ninge chi duk la pen akasik sak the pigji lasi hala medical instruction ateng pen itum ka fulu ba aron patepek pe pin ben biji ke en ba papram nang jila pen ke chengsia a step ke la lo mithan yong si nang korlo pulo tang te 15 minutes sang bong ilitum a phan ilitum peri ke chok sabun hala phelu ke do bang soda ke do abang la pen amek bang chamjun serak nang ji busi pula so phisi ke hospital bang ponang po
la puson thak thaka kiso kiklang pika jok dolamara PHC mati hospital along an pherang ki atum humri damsi doctors atum pen klarda ka birta long pon la pen rada phan kachirok tok pen kipado jia phan doctors atum pen arsi krungalam the nang pidun doctors atum prabjin pen awareness camp sitami kibi ponjia phanta lamthe chepaklang pon doctors atum pen nangke pachini dun alam thele non angton pen arju pon lonang.
Yeah, we have for every case we encounter, we registered in our separate Rabies register. So about 150 cases have been recorded in the last 2 months.
Inside Dolomara?
Yeah, inside Dolomara. Means the patients which have came here for vaccination. So about 150 cases we have.
Do you find any shortage of vaccines supplied from the government?
The main problem is it is available. They tell that it's available, but it doesn't reach here at time. Like since the last 2 weeks we didn't have vaccine, but currently we have fresh stock. We have new stock of vaccines. More than 100 doses are available now.
Dolamara pen arji sonrong par karbing long live.